Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Kia UVO for EV charging and navigation. Complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Kia UVO for EV charging and navigation, begin by ensuring your vehicle is parked and turned on. Open the Kia UVO application on your smartphone. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is open, log in with your Kia account credentials. If you don't have an account, select Create Account and follow the prompts to register. After logging in, make sure your vehicle is connected to the app. If prompted, grant the app necessary permissions to access your vehicle's data. Next, check that your vehicle's software is updated to the latest version. You can do this through the vehicle's infotainment system. If any updates are available, follow the instructions to install them. Once your vehicle software is updated, return to the Kia UVO app. Look for the Settings or Preferences section in the app. Select EV charging or similar options to begin the authentication process. Follow the on-screen instructions, which may include entering your vehicle identification number. Make sure to input this number accurately to avoid errors. You may also need to connect the app to your home Wi-Fi network for enhanced features. If you use public charging stations, ensure the app has your location access enabled. After all necessary information is entered, confirm your settings. You will receive a notification indicating that authentication was successful. To test the connection, try accessing the navigation system through the app. Select a destination and send it to your vehicle. You should see the directions appear on your vehicle's navigation screen. Additionally, verify that you can check your charging status through the app. If everything is functioning correctly, you are now authenticated. For optimal use, familiarize yourself with other features of the Kia UVO app. Make sure to keep the app updated for new features and improvements. Regularly check for any notifications from the app regarding your vehicle. You are now fully equipped to use Kia UVO for EV charging and navigation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.